day, everybody. My name is Tabi Maj. Welcome to my online English class. Today's lesson is about figures of speech. Please check the board and see what we are learning today. Today we are learning about figures of speech. So let's recap. We said, number one, we have comparisons, and under comparisons we have similes. And similes is comparisons while using words like as or like. And then we have number B, letter B, metaphors. It is without using words as or like. Then we have two types of metaphors. We have extended metaphors, which are comparisons that are extended over a passage. And then we have mixed metaphors, which are comparisons using words that contradict one another. So we are moving to letter C, which is personification. So our lesson today is personification. It gives human qualities to inanimate objects or abstract ideas. So this means that if an object is not a human, it cannot move on its own, then we use comparisons with words that associate that object with a human quality. And personification is indirect comparisons. So here's our example. Example number one, we have autumn. Autumn is a season. We have autumn arrived in his coat of orange, red, and gold. So the leaves become orange, red, and gold during autumn. But they say autumn arrived. First of all, a person arrives, but something else does not arrive. So this is a comparison where we are comparing an inanimate thing to a human being behavior. So autumn arrived in his. So autumn is not a person, cannot be his. So this is an indirect comparison of something that is inanimate into comparing it with something that is a human behavior. So we say autumn arrived in his coat of orange, red, and gold. So this tells us that this is a personification. Then we have example number two. The clouds looked down and wept on the drought-stricken earth. So the cloud is not a person. It cannot look down. It cannot weep. Weeping is crying. So it cannot weep. But it means the clouds were so disappointed